Hello, and welcome to my thesis demo. So, in order to use the system, it's very simple. So all you got to do is take a card you want to scan, put it here on a piece of paper, and then you hit start on the program, and then all you have to do is hold the camera above the card at about 6 inches away from the card, and it will begin to start scanning.
And once scanning, the system should be able to accurately predict what card you are showing it. And at the moment, it will be able to distinguish 1,500 different cards. As I were to move along with the project, I would eventually like to get it to work with every card ever printed in Magic the Gathering's history, which would be around 15,000, but at the moment it just works with 1,500.
Okay, and to prove the system works, I've got here a booster pack. So a booster pack is 15 randomly inserted cards. I have no hand in what's in here, so it's a very good test to see if the system's working or not. So what I'm going to do is open these booster pack and scan all 15 cards, and then I will show you sort of the results I get and how accurate my system is. So I've opened my booster pack, and I've got the cards set right here. So what we're going to do now is show you how you would scan them one at a time. So what you want to do is you want to take your camera, you want to set it up around here, take your first card and hold it over, and as you'll see in a bit, it will display the name of the card in the console window. And all you do is, take the next one, put it down, take it out, put the next one down, let it scan, take it out, and you do this for all 15 cards.
Hello and welcome. So this is the interface for ManaLens. So what you would want to do is go up to here, click background removal, and then you want to start the camera. So once you do that, we'll take our first card and place it right in front of the webcam. And we should start scanning. So as you'll see, the output comes out over here. And as of right now, we have a correct one. So we'll move on to the next card. And so it's kind of finicky. You need to get it sort of within the frame. But once you do, you can see that the results are pretty good. Every so often you'll get a false positive, but it's not very often. And so what's happening is we are taking the card from the webcam. That card is being broken up into a bit string, and then with the bit string we're passing it to the database. Now the database is going to run through its collection of possibilities, comparing the bit strings and trying to see if there are any in the database currently that match it or come relatively close to matching it. And if there is, it will report back what it thinks is the most likely to be the correct card. And so you'll see you have to really try to get it in the frame. That's sort of a big problem. If it's not perfectly in the frame, it doesn't work 100%. Oh, there we go. Alright, we're just about halfway through the pack, so we should get these last couple cards. Oops. There we go. And what's surprising is you really don't even need the camera to be focused. You could focus if you want, or you could make it very unfocused. Because of the algorithm, we actually shrink the image to such a degree that the, you know, specific resolution of the image doesn't matter. And then for our final card, there we go. So, as you saw, we had a success rate of 15 out of 15, with one of the cards taking a little bit to recognize. So, it's a pretty good success rate.